In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove those pesky buy and sell arrows on Tradingview. Whether you're looking to clean up your charts or simply reduce distractions, this straightforward guide will walk you through each step to achieve a clearer and more focused trading view. First, let's start by navigating to your Tradingview chart. If you're already there, you'll want to direct your attention to the settings. Now within Tradingview, settings are your gateway to customizing how information is displayed on your chart. So go ahead and click on the settings icon, which you will typically find at the top right corner of your chart interface. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs to choose from, each dedicated to a different aspect of your chart. We are specifically interested in the trading tab, so click on that. Here you'll be able to manage aspects of your trade visuals. Now within the trading settings, there's an option for buy, sell buttons. This is where you will find options that control the buy and sell indicators on your chart. Go ahead and select it. By doing this, you're now one step closer to decluttering your chart. Moving on, the next option you'll want to toggle is something called execution marks. Execution marks are the little arrows or markers that appear on your chart every time you make a trade, buy, or sell. Unchecking this option will remove those execution marks, giving your chart a cleaner appearance. Click on execution marks and ensure that they're turned off. Once you've made these changes, it's time to confirm your adjustments. There will be an OK button located at the bottom of the settings menu. Click on OK to save your changes. This step is important because without confirming, your settings won't be applied, and those buy and sell arrows will still clutter your screen. Now that your settings are updated, you may still notice short indicator markings left on your chart, depending on your configuration. Let's move to address this. Locate the short indicator on your chart that you wish to remove. You'll want to click on the indicator, which will bring up a mini menu. Within this menu, you'll find a delete icon. By clicking on this delete icon, you'll be able to remove the short indicator from your chart completely. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully cleaned up your Tradingview chart by removing unnecessary buy and sell arrows, as well as any unwanted indicators. This should help you focus better on the key data and trends that matter most to your trading strategy, making your experience not only more efficient, but visually more appealing. Now you can trade with clarity and confidence. Happy trading!